this video, you learn how to remove Microsoft Bing as your default search engine inside of Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So to remove Microsoft Bing as your default search engine, the first thing you'll have to do is go to the top right inside of Google Chrome and click on the three little dots. Then go to the bottom and click on Settings. Then you can go to the left and right here click on Search Engine. And right now probably Microsoft Bing is selected as your default search engine. So what you have to do is click on Change. Change it to the search engine you would want, probably Google. So we'll click on this and click on Set as Default. And what we can do right now is remove Microsoft Bing completely from Google Chrome. So we can click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. And you'll see right here Microsoft Bing. And what we can do is click on the three little dots on the right. Click on Delete, and you get a little warning. You can just click on Delete again. And right now you've removed Microsoft Bing from Google Chrome completely. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.